Welcome again to the channel, Life with Jennifer JM. I am your girl, Auntie Jen, and yes, my viewers, my friend, and my subscriber. May I have a good laugh on this. Me say, Colonel Charles Jr. I give out one heap of black tank. And I say, at this time in the game, one time I give out some already and then go back again. And under what program they have, I give away the black tank them. Somebody need to explain it to Jamaica. When they're not chicken, a black tank, then owner say, third term a load. What a mess. My viewers, my friend, and my subscriber. I say when I see it, I say, no man. This I get from bad to us. This I get from bad to worse. No, I'm going to take a look at this.
But I want a harder working minister than this minister. Judge me. Say, Father. Yeah? Man, when it come to DJ, man, him bad everything this man. This man. This man. Aye. Up the boss. Up the boss. Watch the boss. Boss every boss. Me not help him, brother. Me not help him. Make him doing job.
Mr. Charles, bad like his daddy.
Eh? He must be the man kind of younger.
I said, daddy, this one. I will help
Up on the chop. Up on the chop, sir. Up on the chop. No, sir. Up on the chop. Me not touch it.
This is the reason why I don't want to keep people poor in our country. Forget them for ton. Halliburton. A Halliburton. If we take them for twist them and turn them around. Forget vote. It is such a disgrace. My brothers, my friend and my subscriber. You not done yet, you know? Let me show no more.
So when I came here this morning, it's the space here, full of a tank. And this is it now. So this is my closing video for the day. As I said already, over 100 tanks would have been given out. So I that here so it full of a tank. Here so it full of a tank. Is that space here? Then I came here this morning, it was full of tank. So who can say, tell the people then. So more and more will come for the labor right. So labor right, yeah man, me a tap out there so for today. Alright, so then put your lift. So yeah, so that's for me for today. I am out.
It is clear the JLP under pressure. When I say clear, it is clear. We see it all over the place. The handout at this time. Clear vote buying. Clear vote buying. Clear vote buying. I see where I say them put out, say them have electrical, for give people free electrical wiring of house. And up at Portland Eastern, you know. I go get 1,000 house. Watch it. It says more than 1,000 households in Portland have been identified to benefit from the government house wiring and inspection program. That still not got top teeth in light. In an initiative to support the obtainance of regularizing prepaid electricity infrastructure in 2025-26 budget debate, Minister Finance and Public Service Favour Williams had announced the allocation of $1 billion to assist 20,000 new customers in joining the JPS service prepaid electrification. Then that no should have be the JPS. So watch it, watch a politician, watch Annmarie Valls in our picture. Hey, me say the people, Emma pull out every string. Every tactics in the book where they can use. Just why they come out and say they nah hand over the country to PNP, you know. Means that anything where them have to do. If a country have to go run to wreck every money I spend. You hear me? If you use it as a tool of blindfold. So you notice that Annmarie Valls, East Portland, they must spend most of it. Western Portland people now get nothing much, you know. Nothing much. Then get bus to East Portland and then do this. Now them get 1,000 in a East Portland. 1,000. Because that's the margin of the vote there. You see East Portland first we see with it? It's not like it's a general thing right across the island. It's by a certain constituency. You don't have to watch a trick of them. You don't have to watch a trick of them. But no matter what you do, you're going to lose. No matter what you're do, you're going to lose. Trust me. People don't have enough of you and tired of you. When people tired of you, it no matter what you do. It's like a relationship and the man don't want you. And don't care what you try to do. You can't keep him. Kind heart and his mind not there. And that happened to you. It no matter what you do. The people that heart and mind turn against you, man. Because it's an embarrassment on a leader. Embarrass the country. Oh my God, my people. Anyway, my viewers, my friend and my subscriber, you know, like and share and leave a comment and tell me what you think about this. And the conversation continues. Catch you on the next time. Bye.
But I want a harder working minister than this minister. Church on me. Say, Father. Yeah? Man, yeah, man. When you come to DJ, you know, man, you bad everything this year, man. This year, man. This year, man. Aye. Up the boss. Up the boss. Watch the boss. Boss, every boss. Me not help him, brother. Me not help him. Make him doing job.
Mr. Charles, bad like daddy.
Eh? He must be the man kind of younger.
I said, daddy, this one. I will every time. Brother Mike.
Up on the choke. Up on the choke, sir. Up on the choke. No, sir. Up on the choke. Me not touch it.